Hey guys, this is Hakuri here back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you actually something pretty simple, but I find myself using it a lot, so I wanted to share this with you guys. So sometimes I forget my Wi-Fi password from the house, right? And I also wanna use it for another device. For example, like my computer or maybe another phone, and then I struggle to find the password and stuff, but I do have it in my phone. It's just that I can't find it. It's not like a computer that you can go to settings and find it right there. So on this one, I'm gonna show you how to find it with a simple app. For this, you're gonna need root. So let's start. Okay, so first you're gonna need this app called Wi-Fi Password Recovery. You can see it right here. You can find it in the Play Store. It's gonna be this icon right here, and all you do is open it, and you're gonna give super user permissions. And as you can see right there, it actually gives you the password for all the networks that you have connected to. And you have the password right here, and you can copy the password and then just put it right like that, so you can actually see it better if you're gonna type it in the computer or anywhere. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple, but it's really helpful. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like if I actually help you out. So if something didn't work or something like that, just let me know, leave a comment and stuff. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe for more content like this. So peace out.